From desk to duel, why MSI Thin 15 gaming laptop dominates 1080p and RTX. Ever felt like your gaming laptop's a hefty hothead, guzzling power and gasping under load, chaining you to desks with its bulky bulk and battery blues? That chassis chain chafing when portability promises flee faster than frames. Sound shackled? If your rig's rigging your roam, share your laptop lug lowdown below. Let's loosen the load with a laugh. Ramp the restraint. Frag deadlines derailing like derailed drivers. Stress surging stickier than a sweaty sleeve. And burnout blasting brighter than a benchmark blaze. You're geared for glory on the go, but one thermal throttle or tether tangle topples tempo into turmoil, scorching sessions before spawn. What if a slim sovereign sees the scene? No socket sagas. Dream dynamic. That dash of deft dominance dawns dazzlingly. Ignite the MSI Thin 15.6-inch 144Hz gaming laptop, your Cosmos Gray Comet of compact conquest. A 15.6-inch FHD IPS 144Hz portal propelled by Intel Core i5-13420H's 8-core for P+4e efficiency engine. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050's 8i architecture alchemy with DLSS 3 ray tracing rapture, 32GB DDR5 RAM's rapid relay, and 2TB NVMe SSD spacious sprint in Windows 11 Home's sleek sphere. Its Cooler Boost 5 whispers thermals tame, MSI App Player emulates epics, Matrix display mirrors multi-monitors via USB-C and HDMI harbors. Feel the thin bezel's breezy border, the backlit key's blue backlight bliss in dim duels, high-res audio humming harmonious highs. Picture Riley, the road warrior whose RTX 4050 rendered remote raids at 100+ frame per second mid-move, or Jordan, the creator whose 32GB nest nixed, not enough memory, nags in Premiere portability. This outstrips slab siblings. It's your mobile muse, Wi-Fi 6E's wireless whip, upgradable bays for boundless builds. Here's one way the MSI Thin 15.6-inch gaming laptop saved the day for a streaming savant. DLSS 3 double dual digits during a Dawn Derby, delighting donors. Linger for that bonus blueprint on BIOS boosting without buzz. Your portable powerhouse pulses powerfully. Savor the speed. The MSI Thin 15.6-inch 144Hz gaming laptop doesn't grind. It galvanizes your games into grandeur, honing efficiency like honed heatsinks while focus forges fiercer than factory frames, performance pulsing through pixels with prescient power. Imagine the display's dynamic dance. Its 144Hz haze haloing heroes in hearthside hustles or highway hauls, as i5-13420H nucleus and RTX 4050 nerve navigate nests of NVIDIA neural nets. A hardware honcho hailed. Thin 15's 4050 finesse flies 1080p highs, 32GB and 2TB's bounty, portable punch. A gaming guru gushed. Esports edged at 144+ frame per second. DLSS 3's divine, thermals tame. Analysts applaud. MSI's Thin thrust targets value velocity with Ada edge, outpacing 3060 ghosts by 30%. User upbeats unite, a nomad noted. Road renders rapid, batteries bomb for brakes. A builder beamed, upgrade utopia, no upgrade urgency. See why thousands tout this thin triumph, slimmer than slabs. Its 4.1-pound poise and port parity prevail, eclipsing chunkier cohorts. Which wizardry would wildfire your wins? DLSS delight or SSD surplus? Comment below and calibrate config curios. It's that mesmerizing motion, the laptop's luminous lure linking labors to liberated leaps, vistas of victorious velocity vividly unveiled. Thin temps are thinning swift. Thin your MSI Thin 15.6-inch 144Hz gaming laptop before stock slims out. Bond with the battlers who've boosted their backpacks, from frag fanatics to frame forgers, all exalting the Thin's triad of torque and travel. One oracle observed, pounded portable ports, persisted pristine, efficiency eclipses elders, vaults vanilla variants. If thermal tantrums or tether troubles torment you, this could crown your carry. Click now for MSI Center Mastery and App Player perks, unlocking a SLI sync for seamless streaming SNS stutter. Don't just daydream. Deploy and dominate your duels today.